packing up from island number 1. We are leaving Koh Lanta Island in about an hour, and we will be heading to Koh Lanta.
Woohoo! And Brooke.
I think living out of a backpack is something everyone should have to do at some point in their life to test their patience.
And Chandler, epic dive. Yeah.
We are on the ferry right now, leaving Koh Lanta Island. We are heading to Koh Lanta. It's been an awesome 2 days here, and we cannot wait to see what Koh Lanta has to offer.
Peace. Bye.
So, boat regulations, not really a thing in Thailand. We're out here on the bow of our ferry as we're leaving Koh Lanta Island. It's pretty incredible. Can't do this in the States. Right over there, and here is home for the next 2 days.
Hey, good morning. I'm going to show you guys what the pool looks like. It's beautiful, shallow to deep. There's a little hot tub spot over there. And then behind me, we have a nice little waterfall. Water's cool. There's not really a time limit when you can be in or out. So pretty relaxed here. There's a swim up bar right there. It's beautiful here.
It is our first full day on Koh Lanta. We stopped at a little mini mart to grab some breakfast because we can't find a restaurant. We also have some scooters here. We picked up a 5th bottle of gas, but we're gonna try and figure out how to get just a little bit more. So far, it has been a great adventure with driving on the left side of the road. Definitely something to get used to, but it's pretty sweet.
What did you have to say? Sounds great.
So we were cruising on our bikes down the coast and looking for somewhere to eat, and we found this little restaurant. And it was like the only place open in Old Town, so we walk in and then keep walking, and turns out this is our view. our scooters in Koh Lanta, just going around the cliffs, heading to the national park. And alongside the road is an elephant. Mom is like holding on to her. Well, we just finished our awesome beachside swim. It is gorgeous here. You got the cliffs behind us. It's stunning. Woohoo!
Koh Lanta. We're getting ready to go on this really sketchy path that always makes me nervous. These boards that we have to walk across. We took scooters over them earlier. Sean and I chickened out and hopped off the scooters. But
watch the electrical line.
And now we have to duck under a power line into a mud ravine. But can't wait for tomorrow for the ferry ride over to Phuket.